Let's look at how to treat scabies. You can treat scabies by taking over-the-counter treatment called LifeClear 5% Dermal Cream. LifeClear contains PERMETHRIN, an insecticide that paralyzes and kills the mites as well as the eggs. You apply the cream to the whole body, go to sleep, leave overnight for 8 to 12 hours, and wash off in the morning with water and soap. Note that some itching can still continue after treatment, but this does not mean that the treatment was ineffective, and you can apply Urax cream, which has a cooling effect on the skin and helps to reduce the itching. So make sure you kill the eggs off completely, and if you still have persistent itching after the first treatment, you can then repeat the treatment again 2 weeks later. Now, if PERMETHRIN does not work, the next treatment option is malathion 0.5% lotion. But unlike PERMETHRIN, which you have to leave for 8 to 12 hours, you would have to leave malathion on for 24 hours before washing off with soap and water. It is advisable to treat the whole household to prevent the spread of scabies, as well as reduce the chances of getting reinfected again. You also need to wash your clothes, your beddings, your towels at high temperatures above 50 degrees centigrade, and any items that you cannot wash should be sealed in a plastic bag for 72 hours, as the mites cannot survive outside the human body for at least 36 to 72 hours. If treatment has not worked, or you have crusted scabies, which is the more severe form of scabies, then you will need to see a specialist, as you will usually be treated with oral steroids or oral ivermectin. Oral ivermectin is given as 2 doses, 7 to 14 days apart. However, it is not licensed in the UK for the treatment of classic or crusted scabies. Now, I hope you found this video on scabies useful. Please feel free to share, like, and comment.